Hello there! Welcome to Bodhiflavours and welcome to a cooking class. We're all cooking here. It's really hot and steamy in Japan at the moment and we don't feel like cooking, so we're gonna eat mostly raw tonight. I don't like my beans raw, so I'll chuck them in some hot water, blanch them quickly. It's just hot water, they're not boiling. I turn the heat off and I'll leave them like that for just a while. Meanwhile, we'll do some grating. This is a lovely little ginger grater I got here in Japan. They're really handy. And this ginger is for the chicken. I only boiled the chicken, that's all I did to it. I marinated it in water, lemon and ginger. The rind I took off from here. I just marinated it, well, you can't say marinated, but I left it in for the juice to absorb. Then there's some lemon, it's gonna go on this. And this is non-roasted Japanese sesame oil. That's gonna go on here too. It's good to have good oils, not too much, but a nice little amount. And you can add shoyu, also not too much, because in summer we don't want to eat too much. Salt, and then I prepared some of my garden herbs again. That's thyme, basil and oregano. Actually a little sprig of rosemary would be nice too. And I'm just going to chop that real fine. And not only will it look nice, but it will be very tasty. And herbs have great antibacterial properties, so make sure you get a lot of them in this time of year. There you go. That'll do. Just sprinkle that on there. And that's our chicken dish for tonight. Very light and very quickly done. So we're going over to the beans. They've just been in here a couple minutes, that's all. Drain them. And to keep that lovely green, I just shock them with some cold water. There we go. That keeps them green and stops them from cooking. These beans are gonna go with a little bit of sesame, which I prepared here, some shoyu, just kind of chopstick size, I usually say. Oh, I forgot a dish for these. Just a minute. So they're still very crisp, they're not too cooked, not too soft. A little bit of shoyu and all of this sesame. You could also add wasabi if you like a little bit of spice in there. I like to work with my hands, so there you go. Right, that was very easy. You see, that didn't take very long. And we're set and ready. Here we go. Not enough space anymore. that's it. Here we have arame with lycium berries, shiso freshly cut, and daikon, radish, Japanese radish. That's a very light dish. I've done it with yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus fruit, and rice vinegar, a little bit of oil, shoyu. That's it. Then this is tataki kuri. It's a cucumber with umeboshi. Again, very simple dish. I'm going to add a little bit more to this. This is when you're vegetarian. For non-vegetarians, you can actually add little fish, and we'll do that later. Here's that funny looking mountain potato, yamaimo. It's a slimy dish that I've made with myoga and shiso. All you do is you add a little bit of ginger, if you like ginger, grated, and shoyu. And then this is the beans. Very lightly cooked with shoyu and sesame seeds added later. And for your information, this is the myoga. It has a lovely flavor and an aroma that makes you want to eat a little bit, especially for this season, since we're not feeling so hungry when it's hot. And all of this you can eat with some rice or just on its own. You don't need to add anything else. If you're non-vegetarian, this is a nice chicken dish that can go with it, very light. And I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna enjoy this now. Bon appetit. Bye.